What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for another banger. So today, what are we getting into? In the last video of the four-wheeler build, of the little Chinese build, y'all seen that we stretched the bike out 6 inches. Now, this is the thing. I posted this on my Instagram, but I didn't post this on YouTube. I came home after work and got with it. But as you can see, these are the regular mounting points. I pulled the A-arms out to the side. That gave me a little bit more width on the wheelbase. You can kind of see it a little bit. I'm gonna insert some pictures of, you know, that process right here. I made me some brackets, put me some brackets right here, and that extended that out. I think on here I'm going to make some type of C bracket that comes up and just make this a solid piece, so there's no camber or nothing, so I can do away with these, because this is for the A-arm, but you see that we're running just a lower arm and not the top A-arms as well. So we did a delete on that, and I got to modify something for that. But that is not what we're doing today. So as y'all see, this thing looks just like a limo in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut this piece right here. I'm going to cut it right. I'm sorry. Wow, I got the hiccups. And I'm going to scoot this up to about right here. So that'll give us plenty of motor space. And then I could build my tube, what is this called? I can build my tube swing arm, which it'll sit about right here. So it'll be like a stretch swing arm, which it'll still be the same length, but it won't look so odd and ugly like it does now. All right, so we done moved the four-wheeler into the garage. I got my grinder and stuff. I got this thing hooked up because it's not really hot because it did just rain earlier, but it's humid out there, so we're just gonna rock in here. I guess I need to take the swing arm off first and stuff, so none of that will be, you know, giving me a hard time with this. Do is take the saws off and get to cutting. Remember, guys, anytime you're cutting, use some type of, you know, like some type of eye protection, hand protection. I mean, I got on regular gloves, but this just to keep me from getting my hands dirty, but I always wear eye protection when cutting. We got a cut frame again. So what I need to do is I basically want to move this up to something like this, and you can kind of see where I'm going now. Is I'm going to probably cut these tabs off and cut this straight across here, weld it to here, clean this up under here, and weld it. All right, y'all, so this is somewhat what it would look like. I just kind of got everything set up there. I got everything measured out, cut right, check my links and stuff like that. I went off of here and off of this bar right here and got like, it was like 17 1/4. So I went off of those. Can't say that they're straight from the factory, I don't know, but that's my best reference point. That'll be plenty room for a motor to fit in there. So yeah, I did find I think it's a RM 85. I found one of those. It's pretty much a complete motor. I think it needed the very top. It had the jug and everything, carburetor, all that stuff. So I got a good deal. Well, I found a good deal on that, but it's kind of a drive. It's like a 2-hour drive. So hopefully I get to pick that up for this. I'm gonna clean this up and break out the welder and start welding this thing up. All right, y'all. So everything's cleaned up. Bro, it's hot as hell. We're gonna break the welder out and try to get this welded up right quick. So hopefully everything goes. All right, y'all. So look at that. I got a little hole that I gotta fix there. But look at that weld. Ooh, that should look good. Oh yeah, y'all. That shit busting. Y'all, I was thinking earlier, while I was at work, like I think I'm gonna start calling you guys Jank Squad. Comment below and let me and tell me whether y'all like that name or not. Like, I think that name would be pretty cool to call you guys, as you know, part of the Janky Fabrications team, because y'all are a part of my team. We're all in this together, so I think that name will suit us. We gonna take this swing arm out, disassemble it, and cut these welds apart from here. So we got everything disassembled on the rear carriage. Don't mind this battery in the way. I was looking at this, and like I said, as you can see, this thing has an offset for the chain. And I was like, well, if I put it there, it's gonna be awfully close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in the factory location. And this one, I'm gonna have to like shave the side half of it off and like do it half, somewhat like this, so I can keep my clearance for my chain, because I don't want that to hit. So I'll probably like shave off a corner of this and go at it like that. We got the piece cut that holds the swing arm. We got the pieces that hold the carrier. We got that cut out. We got all the swing arm and stuff cut away. So now I was just putting this up here to see how much I needed of the tubing, because I want to add what I took out from here back in, plus what the swing arm already was. About to head to Lowe's and see can I get a hole saw that's the size of this. So, cause my 1.5 is too big and it'll be too much slop when I notch the tube out. So just got back from Lowe's and they had 1 1/4 inch, which is just the right size for what I need. I got shit scattered far and wide. I'm trying to stay like cleaned up halfway, so once I'm done with this, I don't have much to pick up. But anyways, I got my pieces notched, cleaned, these cleaned. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stay within the lines that they already had from the original piece on the swing arm. So I'm gonna line my tubes up here and here. So I need to get something to go right here to shim this side up a little bit. So that's about right there. It's taking on the other side. So, still straight. Both pieces are tacked. Got a small little offset on it. So keep the chain clearance, and so all I need to do now is fully weld this up. I done cleaned up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and yank this swing arm off and finish welding it up, weld it all up, and then like I said, we'll save this part, actually getting it on here for another video. So that's in there. And y'all may wonder, Shaq, how do you know that this is straight? Well guys, to be honest, I don't know if it's straight. I'm really relying on my tube notcher to notch both sides like correctly. Oh, we're gonna mock this up just to see how it looks. It's gonna look badass. Now it actually looks like a four-wheeler instead of a damn, like a limo bike. Man, that's gonna look a whole lot better. Imagine when I put the slicks on this thing. It's gonna look crazy. All in all, looking back here at it, everything appears to be straight. So probably about right there, and end up bringing the front up some. That'll give us ground clearance when we put those smaller tires on. It won't sit so low to the ground, but hopefully I can get my hands on this dirt bike motor, this RM85. I think that'll be a nice, you know, little motor for this bike. Yeah guys, that is it for today's segment of Janky Fabrications. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, tell me what you guys think about the new setup. Do you guys like it? Does it look a lot better? Let me know. And tell me what you guys think about the Jank Squad thing. You know, that'll be what I call you guys. Y'all will go as the Jank Squad instead of the subscribers. So, you know, I look at y'all, like I said, we're all in this together. Yeah, one last little overview of this thing. Looking crazy. Back half looks pretty damn straight. So guys, until the next one, we out.